Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the problem find pivot index. Given an array of integers, calculate the pivot index of this array. The pivot index is the index where the sum of the all numbers equally to the left of the index is equal to the sum of the all numbers equally to the index right. So let's look into the example one. Nums equal to they given a sum of some numbers here and the explanation. The pivot index is 3. Okay, the pivot is 6. leftSum equal to num of this. Okay, the 1 plus 7 plus. Oh, I got it. Here, if we sum the left side of this array, that is equal to the right side. Just calculate this array. 1 plus 7 plus 3 is 11, right? And 5 plus 6 is also 11. So the median of this array is 6, right? So that's why they given a output 3 because the index of 6 is 3, right? How we can approach this problem? First of all, we have to find the total sum. Then we iterate the whole array. First of all, let's find the total sum here. Initially, total sum equal to 0, right? Plus nums of y. Then what we can do is, and then we have to again iterate to find out left sum. If left sum equal to total sum minus left sum minus nums of y. So here, no need to think in complex. There is no complexity here. Left sum plus nums of I plus right sum equal to 0, right? Now we want only find. Now we have to find the right sum. So we just put the right sum equal to and all the here we didn't know the right sum. So the right sum will be what? Total sum minus left sum. Let's say the total sum minus the left sum, we get the right sum, right? So remaining will be right sum. This is what we doing here. So equal to, we simply return the I. Otherwise, we just update the left sum. If no both right and left are equal, we simply return the -1. Just like this example 2. All discuss are passed. Let's submit this. It beats the 97% of our test solution. Great. Let's again look into the logic of this problem. First of all, we have to find the total sum because we didn't know the one side of this array. So we have to find the other side. We have simply subtract the other side into the whole sum, right? The total sum of the array minus the left sum, we get the right sum, right? Then we are checking just left sum equal to total sum. No, it breaks again. It updates a new value. It just updating these values and sum the whole array. And if the total sum minus left sum minus nums of y is equal to the left sum, it just return the index of this. Okay, that's about the video. I hope you all understand this problem. Let's see in another video. Thank you.